Okay, you're going to get a kick out of this. Going around here. Almost not smoky. Smoke we were running. Okay. This is proof that it would be almost impossible, if not impossible, to tip this son of a bitch. Anyway, working on the nose, on the left-hand side here. Got her up on a chalk. And yes, I'm still picking this thing up by myself, of course. Got that one done. Getting ready to do this one right here. But extremes, this thing literally, the motor would have already come out of the water at this point. Getting it to tip over, I don't think it's gonna happen. You know, everything I've ever built never tipped. It just goes faster. But anyway, I thought you'd get a kick out of that. Just coming along here. Got a text at like 2 in the morning saying that I got the day off, so I'm working on this bugger. And we coming down. There we go. Look at that. All the way down. I finally marked all these things as tools, so I can take them out and use them again. But that's a finished tip, and that's a tip that's about to be finished. Anyway, stepping back a little bit here. Getting old on these. There's Gunner eating again, because that's all he does. Anyway, it's laying on its side now. We do this a lot because it's a lot easier to do it this way. And then once everything's done on both sides of the wings, I'm going to flip it over and start skinning the bottom first. But anyway, thought you guys get a kick out of that. Anyway, it's starting to look a little more skeletonized, even though I haven't even drilled it yet. Kind of funny, but oh, you're going to like this. It's a short peek at the bottom. Let's see here. Look at that. You can see all the framing that went into that bugger right there. Almost looks like a manta ray. It's kind of weird looking. But anyway, back to work. Talk to you later. Bye.